How to allow new members to see old messages in Telegram. In this video, I will show you how to allow new members to see old messages in Telegram. The process is quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Although I am using an Android phone, the steps can also be performed on an iOS device. First, open the Telegram app. I have created a group with just himself and another member, Osterbot. To add someone to the group while ensuring they can see the entire chat history, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. When you hit Add Member, keep in mind that by default, new members can only see messages sent after they join. However, you can change this setting. Tap on the group name again, then select Edit in the top right corner. Look for the option labeled Chat History under Invite Links. By tapping on that, you can switch the setting to Visible, which allows new members to see messages that were sent before they joined. Once you hit Done, any new members added going forward will have access to the complete history of all messages exchanged in the group. If you found this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out.